So welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to set up Linkwarden with PWRC to show how quickly you can run any program self-hosted and we can escape it out of NAT within 5 minutes, and that's our challenge. So let's get started right away. So we have right here Linkwarden, and we're going to set up Linkwarden right now. So I'm just going to quickly run these commands here. So let's quickly, oops, bad with this. Let's do that. Let's run the other two commands as well. Whoop, whoop. We have our Docker compose YML file, and I think we should have even a .env file, I think. We have it. So I'm going to vim, I'm going to enter the env file, and I'm going to set up a few things. The thing we care about is here. I'm going to call this, I'm gonna link this to a custom domain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this lbt.keel.io. This is the subdomain I want to link the service to when we're done setting up, and this will make sense towards the end. We want to care about this one. I'm going to say secret, which is my secret is secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. I hate my spellings. But anyway, then we want to set up Postgres password. I'm going to put this LOL. Not important. And pop, pop, pop. And that's it. It says here we've set up everything we need. Let's exit out of this and let's run this quickly. So it's setting up Linkwarden on my machine locally and should be done hopefully soon, because I'm trying to time myself under 5 minutes, and I think we might exceed it. We'll see. Till then, while this is installing, let's get to the main part. Let's actually set up P2PRC on the side. So I have, if you want to set up P2PRC, I have here, I have, you just clone the P2PRC repository in your documents folder. So I have here the P2PRC, oh, I'm the master branch here, as you can see, and all I have to do is the word make. And when I do make, just copy these two paths to bashrc, and if you do P2PRC -hedge, you should have everything you need with P2PRC. And is Linkwarden running? And I see weird errors. I see a lot of, I don't know, something's happening here, probably migration. Let's see if this is working. Let's see if Linkwarden is locally working. And here I'm gonna do, I think it's running in 3000 Linkwarden. Wonderful. Cool, that works. So now that we have Linkwarden running on the side here, let's set up P2PRC as well. Do that. I'm going to put this tab underneath. So we have two shells here. So we're going to run the P2PRC server on over here, and we're going to do the map porting over here. So let me show you how to do this. So if we do -s, within a second or two, we're outside NAT, and now we can actually map port 3000 outside NAT. So P2PRC, the Linkwarden is running in port 3000, so I'm going to map port 3000. I want that to escape NAT, and I also want to link it to a domain name, and the domain name I put was ldt.aquilon.io, and I run this, and immediately, as you can see, we have an IP address and a port number and an external address. If I just quickly, even right now, if I just run this external address on my browser, here, you can see that we can access the page. So we can publicly access it. Now, all I have to do is, after running this command, if I want to add it to my domain name, is I just have to basically copy this IP as an a name entry. I go to my DNS provider, which is Cloudflare in my case. Just gonna quickly go there, log in there. If I don't do this video under 5 minutes, I blame setting up and logging in as an excuse. Let's see that. Cool, time to log in. And again, if it's under 5, if it's more than 5 minutes, I blame loading screens and like logins. Cool, go to that. and there, let me put this full screen. Where's my DNS entries? There you are. I'm going to add a record. I'm going to call it an A record. I'm going to put my IP here, which is that, and I'm going to call this LDT dot. No, I should do it. LDT.keylin.io is my thing, and I click save. And now I just have to go to the domain name ldt.keylin.io, and voila, we have a domain. We have it linked to a domain name, and we're running this fully locally. And this is all we have to do with P2PRC. So thank you for watching, and hope you can try it out as well.